this is
isasakto
part
mo sa
2.
Kung
And
12,
now
sakto
let's
yun.
see what happens to
Orok
Dogman.
tatamata.
Dogman was staying lying
Hindi,
there.
dapat 13.
Or PT,
Andre.
the last final battle of Dogman, okay? Dogman was
Ano
staying
naman
lying
yung
there
plata-plata
on
na
course
yan?
shoes.
Hindi ko
And
alam eh,
PT
pero ako
went
isa doon
somewhere
left
where
eh.
Dogman wasn't.
Miete, yung Miete, Orok, plata, Miete.
Mata, oh.
Island.
Mata.
Mata.
He stayed there for 20 months.
Bilangin ko nga yung sa amin.
And then later,
Di ba may egdan kami sa amin?
Dogman was still at the same area,
Basta i-step.
defeated. And then
Oro,
later,
isang step,
his
Oro.
courage
Oh, yung sa atin,
came.
oh.
He stand up for his might.
Yung sa labas.
And then
Sa gate.
later,
Di ba pag
Dogman
on
walked
agad yun, no?
across the valley, looking at the sign.
Ah, agdanan.
DreamWorks. So Dogman know
Eh di
the
kung magpapagot ay dapat
DreamWorks
13,
God
no?
is there,
13.
but he doesn't know. Jesus.
Ang pangit naman kung sobrang laki ng hagdan, no?
So when he was on top,
May ganun pala.
he,
Ba't siya mo nalaman
he
yan?
went here.
Binibilang
And
niya
then
sa atin
he
yung
saw
marami, patay.
Kanino?
PT
Ba't ito,
on top.
sabi, mata pero successful.
He saw PT on
Photo?
top,
Oh, sa photo.
sitting
Yung
down
hagdanan sa
and
photo.
sleeping. Dogman pushed PT across the valley, and then PT
Pero
angered,
siyempre, mas maganda na
fighted back, and then he gained strength, then punch, boom,
Kung gusto nila, kung
punch,
saan yung masikip na bahay,
Punch.
yun yung gusto nila.
defeated
Papaampun na lang daw si
at his
Sasa sa akin.
and then later PT has been defeated by all Dogman had defeated PT. It's the end for today.
Yun naman
See you next
isahan,
time.
6,300, 6,400.
See you next time.